Goal today is literally to go around and explore the entire park like we're at Disneyland. And we only have a couple hours, so let's see how we do it. What's up? I'm here with Freddie. What's up? Here with Sam. What's up, Sam?
Yeah,
dude. We're here at Woodward. I got my Squid Games outfit just because it's so cold out here, and I was like, I'm gonna be nice and warm. So here we are. Let's get it going.
Yo guys, check this out. What is that? Is that a parkour space? Dude, there's a parkour space, dude.
Yeah, they got rails, they got padding, they got quarter pipes, they got half pipes, they got the whole 9 yards. So let's go look around and see how it goes. Whoa!
Pretty good gym. It's like Tempest. Something.
It looks just like Tempest. Woohoo! Pretty chill. What do you think? Oh! That was sick. You follow. That was sick. Yeah, you want me to record? Let me record you. All right, let's get it. Just anything you want. This is your time to shine. Woo! How do you feel?
I feel crazy.
Hey! We're currently on the padded flooring and I'm having a great time here. Oh, let's get it, man. All right, so over there we got the parkour zone to do some free running. Over here we got the warp wall that you can get all the way up. Over there we got the padding into the foam pit, doing some crazy trampoline stuff. And then over there, the entire skate park. Holy moly. Okay, I gotta take off my socks. I wanna get up that warp wall. I gotta do the easy one first. Let's get it. Whew. All right, that's not too bad. Oh, that's gonna be so fun, guys. All right, let's get the second one, level 2. Oh. Pretty good, pretty good. Pretty easy. Whoa! And then the final one. Easy. Wow. Yeah, try it. Let's see it, Freddie, before they kick us out. Freddie has a white band. He shouldn't be doing this, but he's gonna do it anyways. Let's get it, Freddie. Oh, easy. Look at him go, guys. How do you feel? That's sore? You're looking good. Oh. Oh, this is one of those nice trampolines. It's been a while. All right, let's see, Rachel. We're gonna do a front flip together, me and Rachel.
Nani?
Tuck. There it is. That was beautiful. Yeah. Whoa. I gotta learn that today. Double backflips, guys. All right, I think we can move on. This place is crazy. What's up, guys? Just making sure that you know where we are. We're here at Woodward Skate Park, going around, gonna be shredding this place, showcasing all the craziness. All we're gonna do, we don't have a lot of time. It's already 12:40 and we're gonna be here only until around 4 p.m. So what I'm thinking is we're gonna roam the entire park and just have a good time. Me and Sam's from Costa Rica. It's his first time here in America, really, or second time. And we're just gonna shred this park. Let's get it. Dude, it feels nice here. I've been skating only for 2.5 years. Maybe a little better. You wanna try it with me?
Hell. Flips?
Not yet?
I've been skating 5 years and I'm not that now.
5 years and you haven't flipped yet? Dude, we're in the place. So in order to do the Misty flip, all you gotta do is you're gonna get your arms like this, you're gonna throw it down, and be ready to like catch the ground, right? And you're really trying to land like this, right? Like this every single time. It's not that scary, honestly. Bro, look at this. Oh, what's he gonna do? Ooh. Bro, I gotta try that. All right, I'm not trying to play this up, but this looks freaking insane, dude. Look at that, half pipe, spine. I don't even know how to ride a spine because Rosemary doesn't have it. But dude, it keeps going. Look at this. It goes out that way. And it just like, go for it. There's a box here. Dude. Sure. Dude, look at that. Transition. What the? I've never like rode through half of these transitions. But yeah, you guys get the idea. It's like ginormous in here. So we are currently at the top of the wooden park, and this place looks freaking insane, dude. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't even know where to start because there's just too much. Like, I want to come over here where there's a spine because I've never ridden a spine really, and I want to start doing flips out of them. So yeah, check that out. That's so cool. It is huge. What we're gonna do today is a side flip, Misty flip out this way. Boom. So yeah, I've never been on a half pipe. I don't know how to grind. So we got Hudson over there. He's gonna teach us how to do that. What the? So we're like, where do I go, guys? I don't know. All right, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You gotta go.
I gotta go first. What am I doing?
Anything.
Dude, okay.
You're shaking. I see.
I'm scared, dude. Okay, so this is gonna be my first attempt ever going down this giant thing. Show them this beautiful little drop in, Freddie. Holy
That is crazy.
moly. All right.
This is really meant for bikes, but
It's meant for bikes?
that is too.
All right, let's get it.
But hey, you got this.
Whew.
You lost rock, paper, scissors.
All right,
Go first.
me first. Great, amazing. You got that. I gotta go higher. Oh my God. That was it. I think I can make it across. You think I can make it across?
It looked like you could, but you lost balance.
I did. It was kind of scary, not gonna lie. Dude, that is far, dude. I don't even know how to jump that far. But we're gonna try to go as far as we can, guys. Ready, set. Ah! Let's get it. Let's go. So yeah, that was pretty scary. I really want to jump over that spine, but I think I can launch that bank and make it to the end. Dude, everything's so huge here. All right, ready? Whoa! That was sick, dude. All right, try again. Is that crazy? That felt crazy. Almost. I tapped the edge. I came in calm, I left crazed. Oh.
How did you make it?
Almost. I'm ready, but I'm not ready. You want to do it with me? Huh?
Shit, I'm scared.
You're scared?
I've actually never done this specific rig.
And you're guiding me on this?
I know how to do vert. I've done 4 feet.
No, let's get it. We have to do this together now. Why don't we slide down first? You want to slide down first? Or do you just want to do it? Dude, that's crazy. Oh!
It's so hard.
Honestly, that's my thing. That's my thing. All right. Oh wait, is this not the way? Oh, this is the way. Oh, you're just cool. All right. How's it going? Are you doing great? You gonna join us? Hell no, that's crazy. That's so tall. You just do it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you just fall and control falling?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Fall style.
Fall with style. Are you gonna do this with me? Or are you thinking,
Try.
what are you thinking? We both have pretty solid drops. I think as long as we commit, we got this. You can go first. You can teach us how to do it. I want to learn. Wow.
Last year at the wind camp, like a full gun throw. Oh!
Oh! Is that a casual flip for you? All right, now we have to do this after. We got you.
I'm gonna hate myself. I hate myself, dude.
Wow. All right, we'll both count it. We'll both count it. Yeah, I've never done this before. This is my first time. Okay, so this is how you drop in, all right? You put your foot in on the coping. You're gonna step in over and lean your body in, right? So Hudson over here is gonna show us how to do it first, and then I'm joking, we're gonna do it together. All right, ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. You good? No. You all right? You all right? Where'd you hit? On this one? Yeah, where's your knee pads? All right, we're doing this again?
Why is it not scary anymore? Why?
Because we did it once. No. Just think of it like a regular drop-in. I know, it's scary. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
No.
Back into the knee. You got it.
Jeez. Oh my god, I felt like
Let's go.
I would smack my knee.
These are actually elbow pads. I use those knee pads right now. 3, 2, 1. Woof! I jumped too early. Woo! That's sick. Oh, let's get it. We did it, guys. All right, so we're gonna go outside now. We spent way too much time inside. We're just gonna roam the entire park and have a good day today. Hope you're enjoying it so far. These places are just the beginning. Let's get it. Yeah, this thing is like, it looks chill. 3, 2, 1. That's pretty slippery, yeah. Yeah. Ow, my butt hurts. I don't know how I hit my butt, but I hit it, like in the middle. But I'm gonna do it again. That's crazy. I just wanted to do the backflip, but I didn't even do the pump. Go. Dude, that feels like a freaking roller coaster. I can't even imagine backflipping. When do you backflip out of that? Oh. That's not the way to do it, guys. Make sure to wear a helmet. So my phone died, had to charge it up. We are now here at the crater over there. We got some crazy spots here. And honestly, I'm having a great time. I'm gonna put up some clips right now of like what I did over there. But dude, check this out, bro. That is so cool. It just goes all the way around. So yeah, we're gonna ride the park and I'm just gonna face the camera forward and you're just gonna see everything. Dude, check that out. All right. Makes you feel tiny here. So apparently this park right here is closed, unfortunately. But look at how freaking cool that looks. There's a half pipe outside and a street section out here. What?
Oh, I got you on camera, but you landed bad.
That looked good. felt that one. I gotta do that somewhere else. That is not. Let's go look around the park, guys.
So yeah, check this out. Literally parkour. Literally park heaven. And then look, there's even one over there. That one's even cooler, low-key. Holy, it just keeps going. So we're gonna go for a quick ride. And what we're gonna do is find the snake run. Because honestly, these boots are meant for snake runs, dude. So I haven't even been over here yet. Yeah. Oh, it is a pump track. Let's go. Sick. Okay, here comes Hudson. Something like a...
My leg hurt.
It hurts from falling?
Sore.
Oh, sore, yeah. Let's get it.
Whoa! Ah!
That's sick.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh!
Oh, nice bail, nice bail. Oh, yeah.
Alright, Sam's got this. Let's get it.
Let me try that again.
Don't do this at home.
Okay, today we're going to do a thing called roller skating. I'm so scared. Okay, wait, I got this. Oh, I'll try one more time. All right, so today we're going to be doing a new sport called roller skating. Check it out.
Don't do this at home, please.
Everything rolls. Everything rolls. But my fear. Drop it in.
Oh!
Whoa.
Actually worked!
All right, let's get out of here. This is my first time. All right, guys, we finished up. We are officially done with Woodward. I didn't stay too long. I was only here for maybe like 3-4 hours, maybe 5. But we were actually supposed to leave an hour earlier. So sorry, Ramsey. We're gonna get there late. But I got a lot of fun, and that's all that matters. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Thank you for watching.